Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to use the website Kahoot. Kahoot is a trivia game quiz-like website that teachers can use to set up little trivia games for their students and allow them to compete for points over who knows their material the best. I'm going to show you how to get started with Kahoot here as a teacher, and if you want to make your own Kahoot set, this is what you'll have to do. First you want to go to your web browser, and you want to type in kahoot.com. It should take you to this website right here. And you're going to want to click sign up as a teacher, and then you can sign up with Google or Microsoft, but for this we'll just use your email. You're going to add your school or university, so Northern Illinois University. Username, we'll just use my name here. And then use your email address. I already have an account, so it's going to give me an error here. And then just make up a password for yourself. And you can click on if you've played Kahoot before. I have. And you want to click you've read the terms and agreements. You don't have to click these two. I wouldn't. And then we're just going to log into my account real quick while we're here then. Once you log in, you're going to want to go to this button up here that says New K. And we're going to create a new quiz. There are a bunch of other different features you can do on Kahoot, but quiz is the main attraction that they have. So for this quiz, we'll just use a made-up title, such as Physical Education. And you need a short little description, so a example quiz on how to use, and they like to use hashtags as well, so Kahoot, trying to get in with the kids. You can change all the privacy settings, credit your resources, add an image for the thing, and then you just click on OK, go. Oops. School. Just click maybe later if you get any pop-ups like that one. And from here you just add your questions. So for our physical education quiz, we'll go with is running good for you? And we'll have two answers, yes and no. And you just type in, click on the right one, and next. And you're all good. And you have set the time limit there. You can edit if you make a mistake. And you just keep adding questions until you've covered all the material that you've covered in your class up until that point. And for the kids, your students, to use the quiz, all they have to do on their phones is go to, after the quiz boots up, you have to click on the Start Quiz button after you make out the quiz. And then you can go into the Classic button. And then all your students will have to do is type in kahoot.it on their browsers and enter the unique PIN number they give you. And as people join your game, their names will appear on this list here. And once you have everyone in, you just press start and the questions will roll through. And at the end it'll show everyone's points.